Hey there everybody, welcome back. I'm glad you're joining me again today. In case this is your first time and you're not a subscriber, just want to let you know what the channel is all about. I do a lot of home maintenance tips, a lot of DIY projects, and basically a lot of things that the average homeowner will need to know and will likely want to do. So hopefully you'll find plenty of content here that'll suit you, and I appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and coming back and watching future videos. Okay, so what this video is about is another preventative maintenance video. This one is about garage door preventative maintenance, and it is a kind of a subset or a sub video of a bigger video that I did that I'm linking at the end screen down here around at the very end, where I go through my top 15 preventative home maintenance tips that you can watch. And this one just goes into deeper depth on your garage door because it's often ignored. People just open it and close it all the time, just constantly hitting the button like we do. I mean, sometimes multiple times per day. I actually use it like my front door. I actually have never put the key in my front door maybe once since I purchased this house 20 years ago. Always just use the garage door and garage door opener to come in and out. I'm also going to have a video later that shows you how to replace the garage door keypad and different things like that. So and I'm also going to do a video on how to replace the springs and pulleys, which I'm going to talk about here in a second. Alright, so I'm up here in the corner of one of my garage doors, and yeah, excuse the mess here, but what you'll want to definitely do at least a couple times a year is inspect all of your mechanisms here with your garage door. So you want to make sure that all of the cables are in good condition and not frayed, because you can have one snap on you. And the other thing you want to look at is your pulleys, and you can take a look at them as you open and close the garage door to make sure that they're not wobbling. What happens often is the bearing in here will often break loose a little bit, and it won't operate properly, and that can cause a big problem for you. I've had to replace these multiple times in the past. You can buy these on their own at your local home improvement store and then just replace them. I'm going to do a future video, like I said, on how to replace this and also the spring. So now back to the spring. This needs to be inspected because you could have a serious issue. I actually was sitting in a recliner on the other side of this wall a few years back. A huge bang occurred, and what it was this spring breaking. I since replaced it, but look at this. Look at what's happening here. See that? Now that is a weak point. This is not supposed to be like this. That's going to break again, and what I'm going to have to do is replace it. I'll make another video in the future on how to replace that. It's not that difficult. You just need to do it in the right steps. I'll go through how to do it. Right now the garage door is closed and the spring is completely stretched out. There's a lot of tension on it, and you'll obviously want to do it with the garage door open so that way there's no tension, but I'll get through that. So that's what you really want to do, like I said, is fully inspect cables, pulleys, and springs, and you see anything at all, you want to get on it right away. So then the final thing is to lube the track and also the wheels here. So I have this garage door lube. I'm gonna make sure you can see it. Yep, garage door lube that you can get at your local home improvement store. And if you need to, I'll try to link to one. I'll go find one online and link to it, but you don't need to use the link to buy it. If you'd like to, that'd be great. It'll help the channel. But in any case, you can probably get this at your local home improvement store, and you just want to hit the entire track with it and also the wheels and pulleys, just going through like this. And across the top. And that's basically it. I mean, how long did that take me, right? Simple maintenance, couple times a year, and you're done. Okay, so that was simple, right? I mean, how long did it take me to do it? I only did one track there, but you can do the entire thing in about 10 minutes if you have 2 garage doors, about the same. It's really not that difficult, but something you definitely need to do. You don't want to, the last thing you want is to be in a situation where the garage door is not working, spring broke, things not going up, you hurt someone because the spring is snapping. It's a lot harder to repair it after it breaks. So just do these preventative maintenance steps a couple times per year, and you're going to be fine. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, please. And I've got a couple other garage door videos. I have the preventative maintenance top 15 list. You're probably seeing it right around here wherever I put it at the moment. Thanks again, and I'll speak to you soon.